Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the server of AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option. Here in the user settings section, you can find the select server option. Tap on it. Now, select the server that you want to switch to. Finally, tap on the confirm button to save the changes. And this is how you can change the server of AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.